Kia ora. My name is James from Reo Ora, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add Macrons to your Apple computer. First thing you want to do is you want to go over here to the Apple icon up in the top left corner. You can also click the system preferences down here, the little cog over there. For this tutorial, we're going to go click that system preferences. On the second to last row here, you have keyboard. You just want to click that. And on the top bar here, you have keyboard, text, shortcuts, input sources, and dictation. You just want to click on this one right here, input sources. By default, it has Australian. What you want to do is you want to come down here and press that plus. Mine already has Māori there, but yours might not. So you can come to the search bar and just put Māori, search it, and it will come up right there as it has there, and then it should come up with that, and you just click that and click this add button. And so it has both these inputs here, but we want to get rid of this Australian one and leave the Māori. You can always add the Australian one back later if need be. We'll just exit out of that. And let's see if it has been added. So let's. So the way to add macrons to your letters or your vowels is through this key called the tilde key. It's this one here. It's located right next to the 1. There's a diagram on the screen. And it can also look like this when you hold shift. So the tilde key. And so you just want to press the tilde key along with your vowel from A. Right like that. If we were to write Māori, it'd be M, tilde key, A, O, R, I. And that works for all the other vowels as well. The I, the O, U, as so. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Make sure you check out reoora.com. You can learn speak te reo Māori in 12 weeks. Kia pai tō rā, ka kite.